face.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hi, this is Vibes on About Show. We are gonna make scrambled eggs.
Yummy.
So, you need one adult, and you also need a pan, stove, and you also need to wash your hands because you don't want to get the food dirty. And wait, this is the stuff I need to cook eggs. Wait, now I'm ready to get scrambled eggs. To make your scrambled eggs, you need one adult. You need to keep one adult always looking on you. Because if you keep 1 second off, you could burn yourself in the fire. And
you need a pan, butter, pepper, and salt. So let's get started.
Okay, so now we're going to turn the pot on the bottom. We're going to go slowly. Now it's on. Let's get it on the light. You can use like any kind of like that if you want to be butter. You like almost anything like that.
subscribe-a-dee-doo.
That's going to make it hot. We just wait or less. I'm not sure how much people are. Okay, so you gotta wait till all around is white, because they're gonna make it too early. You don't want to know how it will come out. Okay, so it's cooking too fast, then you can lower the fire.
But our eggs are perfect. You can put it on 2, 3, or 1, or low. Okay, I think now is a good time. We add the salt and pepper.
If I'm not okay, we should do the salt or the pepper. I'm sorry, the salt. So with this salt, you have to pinch it. If you have some other salt, some kind of salt, then put it near like this salt. Okay, now this is just add pepper. If you don't want to add pepper, it's fine. You could add seasoned salt. Okay, see, pepper comes out really spicy, guys. So you don't want to add too much. Now let's mix it now, so we're going to get through all the eggs.
You can add cheese if you want. Today, we're having with hash browns and also with sausages.
Okay, I think this is ready. Now let's put it on low. So it's still cooked, but almost done.
Okay, so now that the egg is nice and dry, I'm going to turn the stove off. And now, so when you're done with your eggs, if you have a little brother or sister, you always want to turn the handle away because you don't want them to get burned. You could chop the egg and then hey, look a happy face.
Wow.
Hello.
Okay, now move this away. And yeah, so here you go. You got your first eggs made by you and me. Okay, now this is Violet's Mouth Show. My name is Violet. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video. Bye!